Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go through some old makeup that I have not used in years, literally years, I'm not even exaggerating, and they're just some lip products that I got when I first started getting into makeup, and you know, I really built a collection up, and now I'm looking at all my lip products in my lip drawer and I'm like, Sydney, you maybe use 10 of these. 3 of these on a normal basis, 7 of the other ones for special occasions. So I really just thought I needed to sit down, go through my old lipsticks, try them on, show myself that I really don't need them anymore, even though it's fun to like look and see how much you have. They don't need to be there because they're just getting older and not being used. So I'm gonna go and try on some of the oldest lipsticks I have from when I first started wearing makeup, and I'm going to probably be getting rid of most of them. So if you wanna see that, stick around and we are just gonna get right into it. Here you go, 3, 2, 1, let's go. I might start with like oldest to newest because I know by looking at these products how long I've had them and how long I have not worn them for. So I know I have these, and I know I got these in like high school because I remember when they first came out with the Vivid collection by Maybelline, and I have not worn these in probably since I got them 6 years ago. So let's go ahead and put them on. I'm not going to be putting on any lip liners or anything. I'm just going to put it on my lips as best I can to show you the products. See, like, look at this. When am I gonna wear this ever? I'm not gonna wear this anywhere. It has like little, it almost looks like it was like sweating or something. I don't know if you guys can see that, but here we go. Oh my God, I look horrible. This is why I don't wear bright lipstick. I look like, I don't even know. It smells like Play-Doh too. I do kind of like how juicy it looks though. Maybe if it was a different color. I just can't do this color. Not with me, not ever. But I'm getting rid of this. I feel bad because it's so bright and pretty. I like having it in my collection, but there's just no reason for this to be sitting in my room anymore. So maybe I shouldn't have started with the brightest lipsticks ever, because when I put my nude ones on later, I'm not gonna be able to tell what they look like. See, look, it gave my, see, I would go like this. This, you know what? Maybe I should keep that one just to put it on and then wipe it off and then have this little like nice lip stain. I don't like pink. I'm gonna get rid of probably all my pink ones. This one's more corally. I'm probably gonna like it more, but I'm probably still gonna get rid of it because it almost looks like rainbowy. Look, like it's so old. Once again, I'm just never gonna wear this. So this is going in the bye-bye pile. Sorry. I need to put like foundation on my lips or something now. This video is gonna have to be like a part 2 and part 3 because it's gonna be a long one. I need coffee. I stained my lips already after 2 lipsticks, so I'm just gonna put some concealer on there. I used to wear this lip stain. It's so dirty. I used to wear this Outlast Covergirl lip stain. I would get it over and over again because I loved it. It is, does it even have a shade name? I guess it's just number 435. I think it had a name, but I don't see a name on here anywhere. I used to love these in high school. I remember I loved the color, but it would always like dry out after I used it like 3 times and it was not even. So yeah, I don't know why I liked this. It just does not go on evenly. It's so hard to apply. It's picking up a lot pinker on camera and it's really not. So I kind of like this one. Gosh, I don't want to keep it though because I haven't used it in like 5 years. Why am I going to use it now? I really like the way it looks like a stain. Not as thick as like liquid lipstick, and it's not as thick as regular lipstick, but it still has a matte finish, which I really enjoy. You know what? I'm so silly. I have not mentioned any colors yet. We're gonna go back. The first super bright pink one I put on was called Vivid Rose, and then the second one was more coral, called Shocking Coral. So if you liked how bright those first 2 were, that's what these were. And then this one is the Covergirl Outlast Lip Stain in number 435. Yeah, I feel like especially if I put a lip liner on with this, it would look really pretty. It's picking up more pink on camera though. It's not as pink, it's more like rosy. It's time to take it off. It kind of tastes good too, which is weird. Probably shouldn't be tasting something that's 6 years old. Next I have, I'm not even putting this on my lips, guys. I might just throw this away. The cap got off and it got all hairy. Let's see if I can rub it off a little. I'll just clean it. Yeah, look at my disgusting makeup wipe. All right, we're just gonna go. So So this color is pretty. I like it. I like the color a lot. But if you can see, I don't like these NYX lipsticks because the colors are always pretty, but it looks like I put like paint you'd put on like the walls of your house on my lips. And then it doesn't like blend in. I go like, that still looks gross. So I'm gonna be giving this away solely because of the formula. So say bye. It is the NYX lipstick in Daydream. I was really into lip stains in high school. I don't know, that was like the popular thing that kept coming out with the drugstore brands. So Revlon Just Bitten. I love the name of these. I thought it was so cute. The vampire phase was happening. So, you know, of course I was Team Edward and I picked this up. It's called Frenzy. Let's go ahead and put it on our lips. Also in high school was when I got most of these lipsticks, because I'm starting from oldest to newest, are super bright. I don't know what I was doing. I guess I liked Taylor Swift a lot. She always wore the bright lipsticks, but I mean, she mostly just wore red. Like, I don't know what I was doing with all these crazy vivids and dark berry colors. I guess it was more popular back then, but now I'm like, no. I'm kind of liking it, but you know what? I just know I'm not gonna wear these bright colors. I'm just not. And it did apply very patchy, if you can tell. It does look like I just ate like a ton of blueberries. I did like how they came with little chapsticks on the other side though. That's kind of cute. Oh, guess not, I just broke it. I see a little squirrel outside. Alright, so this kind of created its own color there, but I'm just trying to wash out the bright colors so we can like really see the true color of the lipsticks I'm trying on. It's another old one. Oh my gosh, these were so popular. The NYX Butter Glosses. Sydney, can you talk? These were like the most popular things ever. I remember buying like a million different colors of these, and I've already given a lot of them away just because, like, again, I'm just going for colors that do not look good on me. I think what I did was I was really into like the YouTube scene when it was just starting, you know, really into makeup. That's how I learned like everything about makeup. And instead of like looking at the YouTubers that were doing the makeup and saying what their favorites were, I wouldn't think about what they looked like on me. If it was their favorite color, I would just go out and get it right away if they said it was their favorite, instead of like looking at myself and being like, Sydney, would this look good on you? So I think I've gotten better at figuring out what looks good on me. So that's why we're giving a lot of this stuff away. Here's another Outlast lip stain. These all look so gross, I'm sorry. This one is number 440, and let's see if we like it. Oh, this is the red one, I remember this. I kind of like this. Is that weird? I mean, yeah, it's splotchy like the other ones, but I don't know. I'm really liking this color. I kind of forgot about lip stains, you guys. I really like how they don't look heavy on your lip. They just, like, obviously this is not natural, but they just look better than lipstick does. I have to go get these in some like nude colors, honestly. Look at it after I wiped it off. That's like really pretty. I'm almost gonna like keep these lip stains just to put them on and then wipe them off, because the stain they leave after wiping them off is so pretty. I used to buy so much stuff from the drugstore, and I should probably white out my lips again because they keep getting stained. Have you guys seen those like how I did my makeup in high school videos though? Like, people have balls when they do that, because I did my makeup horribly in high school. I would not even want to like remember what I looked like. Next one, Revlon Colorburst Balm stain. So this is different. It's not a little felt tip. It's gonna be like a little crayon like that. And it's in the shade 045 Romantic. How sweet. I'm not keeping this, let me tell you why. It feels really waxy. It feels really waxy on my lips. And it's kind of shiny and shimmery, which I don't like. I don't like it. It's going. Oh my God. This was my favorite lipstick like junior and senior year of high school, and I still have it. My mom really loved Lancome, and I wasn't, like, I was just starting to get into makeup, so like whatever my mom got was what I would get, and thought like Lancome was the best brand, which it is. It's not the best brand, but it has really nice products. It took me like 5 years to realize it was Lancome and not Lancome, so I still might call it Lancome and sound like an idiot. It was like their limited edition, which always makes things better, because like, you know, when you can only get it like for a little bit, you think it's so much more special. But it looks like this. It's way darker. Then it comes off. It actually comes off. It's like a berry shade, and this was my favorite lipstick for such a long time. It smells so good. It's bringing back memes. It's so funny now though, because like I don't like this. I don't like bright lipstick. If anything, I like them dark, like a brownie, chocolatey, nudie brown, orange goodness. It's just so hard giving this away. This is harder than giving away clothes, you guys. It is kind of pretty. Will I wear this though? No. Next one I have is this Tarte Lipsurgence Natural Matte Lip Tint in the shade Lively. Remember, these were really popular way back when too. Oh, they just smell so good. They smell like fresh peppermint. And I used to wear this shade all the time. It's so weird. Here we go. This applies really nice. I don't know. I almost feel like it makes me look older, which is weird because you'd think like bright lipstick would make you look younger and more lively. But I just feel like it's something like an old lady would wear. Is that weird? I am gonna keep this just because I love the formula. And if I ever do decide to wear a bright lip, I think this is the one I'm gonna reach for rather than the drugstore ones. I was thinking my lips were gonna be so hurt after this, but I think they're just gonna be more hydrated because I like don't wear lipstick as much as I used to. My lips feel so soft. I feel like I have like 10 of the same bright colors I never wear. But here's another one by Covergirl. It is called Spellbound 325. It is funny how bright lipsticks I got. Like, what is going on? This is Barbie, you guys. I will never wear this in my entire life, except for right now. It kind of makes me feel like Barbie though. Ooh, girl, I need my pink outfit on. Where's my pink car? Where's my pink convertible? My pink Jeep. Okay, we're not gonna let that start happening, so I'm gonna have to get rid of this one. Here's another bright ass Maybelline lipstick called Coral Crush 515. Who was I watching on YouTube that had all these bright colors? This was recommended to me from someone, I don't remember who. All right, so this is more of a coral color. If I'm gonna do like a fun summer color, I won't really go for pink or berry. I'll go for more of an orange tone like this. It just applies really splotchy. It smells like Play-Doh. I mean, maybe I just need to get a newer one since it is very old. I'm gonna go this route. I'm gonna get a nicer lipstick, or at least, yeah, get a nicer brand if I wanna have this color. So I think what I'm gonna do is make this like a part 1 of a series, because I have a lot of stuff I need to get rid of and really decide if I need to keep it or not, because I don't use any of this stuff. It's just sitting here. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the lip products that I used to wear that I haven't worn in a really long time, that I just knew I needed to try on and decide to get rid of them. So if you would like to see a video like this again, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Look at those swatches. Bye, guys.